Yep, Young Brick, my nigga Calvin, and my nigga Kayy on the track, you know? We do it real big. There ain't nothing without her, though.
Baby, you're a superstar. Always wondering where you are. I've never been in love like this. You got me thinking this is it. I need you, I want you. You're my superstar. This love is a real truth. You're my superstar. Baby, you're my superstar. My superstar. My superstar.
Yeah.
My superstar.
Hey, little mama, let me speak in your ear. Tell you a little something that every girl will love to hear. You're something like heaven, something that I can't imagine, something that I wish for. Girl, be my superstar, something you should think about. When I'm on the boulevard, you're the one I think about. Are you feeling me to the way that I'm feeling you? If so, let me know, baby.